Okay, this tutorial is for O Holy Night. It's in the key of C major. The time signature is 6/8, so we're going to be counting in sixes. All right, so it's centered around, the melody is centered around middle C, between middle C and, which is C4 and C5. So that's the main range. All right, so we're going to start off with the C chord in the left hand, C, E, G, and the melody note is on the E. So we're going to go like this, the first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to play G. Same chord in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do the first two measures again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to change the chord to F chord. And we're going to do it off of C, F, A. All right. And we're going to play the A in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A, F, A. Then it goes to high C. And back to the C chord in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's do that again. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can do a finger change to make it easier for you to play. 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New measure now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then G7 chord, B, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can just play the left hand alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the first section. So let's do it again. Next section starts off similar to the first section. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now new chord, C7 chord, C, E, B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do that section again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to go to E minor chord, which we can play B, E, G, and the melody note is high B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then B major chord, B, D, F, D sharp, F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then finish on E minor chord in the left hand, B, E, G, with the melody note E in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's do the second section again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's do sections 1 and sections 2 together. Section 2. Okay, one more time. Sections 1 and sections 2.